guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Boxy Luxe unboxing. It is the bigger version of the BoxyCharm. I believe it's around $50. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. I think I kind of want to do this every month to kind of see what I get or see what you guys get. I do love watching other YouTubers actually unbox. This month's BoxyCharm is themed as a getaway. And yeah, let's jump in it. The first thing that I see in my box is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It's an instant lasting volume and texture volume spray, styling and finishing spray. So this is actually pretty cool. Let's see how it smells. Put some on my hair. Oh, this smells so good. So I'm guessing it's kind of like hairspray, but it gives your hair volume as well. This smells so good. Loving that. This retails for $29. Second item that I see is this no problem. No problem. That's funny. Okay, so actually this is a blurring primer. I've seen some reviews on it because I do watch other YouTubers do BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is from Touch in Soul. This one retails for $23. So just these two combined already make up for what the actual box costs. The next thing that I see is this little black bag. When I first saw it, I was like, what in the world is this? And then I take it out, and you guys will not believe what's in here. It's a freaking hair dryer. Like, what the hell? It's like a little portable hair dryer. That's so cute. And then it has two attachments in it. This is actually really cute. I got a mini hair straightener last time. So this is cool for like traveling. So that's that. And this retails for $85. So this is a steal. This retails for $85. So that already, just with those three items, I'm already happy. Like, that makes up for what I paid. Next would be this Tray Stick. It's a Good Vibes mascara. This is interesting because I was actually looking at the instructions, and it has certain instructions. So what it looks like, it actually has a curler on it. Yeah, it's like a eyelash curler. So I guess you like curl your lashes, but then also the mascara is here if you want to use it. So, oh, I like this wand. This is actually a nice wand. So we'll have to try that. I love mascaras. I love applying it on my lashes. So we'll have to try this and see how that works out. See if it's not gimmicky. This retails for, the Tray Stick retails for $25. And next in my box, I did get the Dr. Brandt Clean Bionic. It's a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. Actually, excited. I'm really into skincare now. If you haven't seen my skincare video, definitely check that out. But I am excited to try this. This Dr. Brandt cleanser, it retails for $35. It's supposed to melt away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never strip. Let the plants do the dirty work. So this is cool. And next that I see is a pharmacy item. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. It's 30 milliliters, so it is full size. It is paraben free, formaldehyde donor free, synthetic fragrance free, mineral free, it's cruelty free, and I don't know how to say that, but this is what it looks like. Let's open her up. And ooh, this is cute, and it has a pump. Awesome. Excited to try that. So far I am loving everything. And this serum retails for $58. Whew, that's a lot. Next is the Skin & Company Aqua Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. So it's a dewy skin mist by Skin & Company. And this retails for $35. It's supposed to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. So that's actually cool. Let's see the spritz. Not a big fan of this scent though, but we'll see. Next in my box is this Dominique Cosmetics. I've actually been dying to try either her eyeshadows or lip products, so I'm excited that I got this. So this is a lip gloss. It is in the shade Strawberry Lemonade. So that is actually really cute. I was really excited to get this month's box because I did actually excited to get it because I did see that Kathleen Lights did get this in her box as well. So I was like, hope I get it, praying to the makeup gods, and I got it. So I'm excited. This retails for $17. Last thing in the box is these Tarte Pro Glow 3 cheek palette. So I actually was able to choose between this or the eyeshadow palette. I honestly have a lot of eyeshadows, so I'm a big fan of blush, so I went for this one. This is what it looks like. How cute is she? Oh yeah, like I love how this looks, and I love that it has the names on here. It's a little mirror. It's like a little book. I'm actually really excited. These colors are beautiful. These are so my tones, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, overall I think this box is really worth it. You get it every 2 months, something like that, but it is actually really good. I love everything that I got this month, and for the overall price, let's calculate it. It's $50 and you get over $352 worth of products, which is so worth it in my opinion. So if you are looking to subscribe to BoxyCharm, this is every March, June, August, oh no, March, June, September, and December. So it's every 2 months that you get it. So yeah, overall I think this is very worth it. I love BoxyCharm. It never disappoints. I actually love that they're always full-size products for the majority of the part. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me with this little quick BoxyLuxe unboxing. It was actually pretty fun. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you like these type of videos. Also, make sure you check out my previous video, which is my skincare video. And if you like to see more videos like this, my kind of like monthly BoxyCharms, then just give this a like. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, make sure you comment what was your favorite product, or if you will be subscribing to BoxyCharm. And yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. Have a great day. See you guys later.